Hello ma'am, hello sir, good afternoon. I'm Marita Sukar, 37 years old and mother of 4. My firstborn is 21 years old, 14, 10, and 4 years old. I am a high school graduate, but I just finished my 6 months training of caregiving. I have experience as a nanny here in the Philippines, taking care of a child, 8 years old, and my employer is Miss Nancy Claire Barcelona, but right now they are living in US. I can do housework, cleaning, ironing, and laundry, though I don't not know how to cook Chinese food, but I'm willing to learn. I can take care both of a child and elderly. Ma'am and sir, thank you for your time, and I hope you will consider me as your future helper or nanny.